Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create guidelines on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select background here and I'm just going to select this red for the guideline. You can select any color you want, but I feel like red is the most visible. I just rotated that and scaled it up. Then I'm going to go to video mask. I'm going to select mirror and I'm just going to make it really thin, like this super thin line. And I'm just going to place it here and I'm just going to copy and paste that one and I'm going to place it to the right side. Copy and paste it again and you're going to rotate it this time. And for instance, I want let's see, this to be the focus, like this person. So I'm just going to copy and paste that again. I'm just going to scale like this. You can add more lines if you'd like to. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!